Amazon is killing all the retail. But wait a second, we have less than 5% vacancy? Amazon is not really killing all the retail. Yes, they are killing some parts of retail, but not all of it. I'm Joseph Goslan, founder of the Eureka Business Group, your retail navigator for the Dallas-Fort Worth market. And today we're talking about trend number 6 in the series of 9 trends that we predict in 2026 will impact retail in DFW. In this video, we're talking about a trend that we've seen going on for years and is definitely going to carry forward into 2026. And that is our shopping centers, our retail centers are transitioning from soft goods into service-based. What does that mean? Historically in retail, we used to see shoe stores and we used to see stores that sell appliances and house goods and so on. But Amazon has been killing those for years. But what we do see is we see a transition going on in the shopping centers, moving from those soft goods into service-based retail. What is service-based retail? We see the medical. Check out the previous trend we talked about medtail. We see physical therapy, hair salons, nail salons, fitness centers, and so on. They're all coming in, they're all service-based, so they're not selling a specific product, but they're servicing the clients. Another big trend for 2026 is entertainment-based retail. That's our next video in the series. We'll talk about that in detail. But altogether, we see shopping centers transition. What does that mean? It means that as a landlord, as a shopping center owner, you need to pay attention to the trends. You need to be smart about your tenant selection and who's the right tenants that are going to complement each other and which tenants are not going to be good together. This way, when you have a strong tenant mix in your shopping center, it looks better, it's attracting other tenants to come to your shopping center, and overall, you'll have a great producing asset. And if you're a tenant, you're coming in, you're a service-based tenant, look at around the shopping center, what other services are in there? Are they going to complement my business or are they going to cannibalize on my business? I want to be in a productive environment. I want to be in an environment where I'm not competing against my next door neighbor. In fact, I'm enhancing their business and they're enhancing mine. Short and sweet, that's trend number 6 for 2026 in DFW retail. I'm Joseph Coughlin, your retail navigator for the Dallas-Fort Worth market. If you need anything commercial real estate, give us a call, shoot us a message. And if you want to leave a comment in the video below, we'll be happy to respond to every comment. And if you want to see all 9 retail real estate trends in 2026 that we predicted, we have a link in the video notes for the full article on our website. That's it for today. Please subscribe to our channel, give us a like, share with your friends, or share it with people you think should know what the trends are coming in 2026 retail.